Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be continuing with the statements which were a break statement, continuous statement, and now we are coming back to the past statement and then the written statement. So let me just tell you about the Python past statement. The past statement is a null statement, but the difference between pass and comment is that the comment is ignored by the interpreter, whereas pass is not ignored. The pass statement is generally used as a placeholder, that is, when the user does not know what code to write. So user simply places pass at that line. Sometimes pass is used when the user does not want any code to execute. So user simply places pass there as an empty code is not allowed in loops. So function definitions, class definitions, or in if statements. So using pass statement, user avoids these errors. So the syntax of the pass statement is so pass statement statement. So I will go with the syntax, and the syntax of pass statement is PASS. So this is the syntax which was used in the pass statement. So let me explain you very clearly with an example. If I say that I equals to 0, okay, I would say I equals to 0, while I must say that I is less than and 5, and if I say I equals to 3, then I would say let's I and uh, plus plus equals to say 1, and I would say now pass. Else I'd be saying that print print I, where I plus equals to 1. So now let's execute the code. While you will understand why the pass statement is used very loud and clearly. So here you will see that the user uses the pass statement to pass the statement, where we can directly pass the error between the code. So here when while is I is less than 5 and I equals to 3, when the if condition was true and if condition was executed, the number was passed, and once the pass statement was executed, the loop was directly going jump back to the while statement, and while running the while statement it continues writing the next commands which was used as for. So I would say that if I equals to 0, then 0, I equals to 1, then it is 1, because while loop was executed where I was less than 5 and executed 1, and when I equals to 2 I was less than 2, then 2 was executed. But if I equals to 3, when I equals to 3, then the statement was given the pass, and once the statement was passed so to the next statement, so it was jumping back to the while statement, where if I equals to 4, then it was 4, and hence the equation was printed. So this is how we will be using the pass statement in our functions. And let's go to the another statement which we have. Let's say that return statement. So I'll be cleaning out it off, and let's say return statement. So what is return statement? So a return statement is used to end the execution of the function call and returns the result. So the value of expression following the return keyword to the caller. The statement after the return statement are not executed. If the return statement is without any expression, then the special value none is returned. So the return statement cannot be used outside the function. So the syntax would be diff function, and the statement returns the statement. So I'll be saying that, let's say it would be in the, and here I must say this. So this is how this is used, the statements. Okay, yes. And now let's execute this statement, and here comes this function. So this is how the syntax is used. The syntax is def function statement where we give the statement to the function, and this is how the return statement is used, and the return statement is executed. So now to return the example, to get more accurately what we are learning into this return statement, let's focus with an example. If I say the defining a function that is factorial of, I would say, n, and it will be that fact equals to 1 for I in range, I would say 1 comma n plus 1, and returning the factorial that is equals to 1. So now return fact. So, so return fact, and after returning fact, I'll be saying that we get an answer. Answer, let's say answer equals to factorial effect of, let's say, 5, and then I would say that print fact answer. Print the answer. So once we run the command, and we will get the answer as 1. So this is how we will be getting the output as the factorial of 5. So this is how we are going to execute a command. Now let me take another question for you guys. And for the another question, I would say that def function, and I'll say a equals to 3 and b equals to 2. Sorry, let's say 4, and return 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 a comma b. If a comma b equals to function, then function, then print ab. So now let's run this command, and we will get the answer as 3 4. Here the command was run and the output was given as 3 4. Here we can see that the defining the function, we said that a equals to 3 and b equals to 4, and when we said that return ab, then ab was returned into the function where I want to print ab, and the output was 3. So this is how the return function is used, and the return function is always used to end the execution of the function call and returns the result. So the value of the expression following the return keyword to the caller. So this statement after the return statements are not executed, and if the return statement is without an expression, then the special value none is returned. Thank you so much. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.